Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I will put together this multi-time frame top-down analysis with the order flow analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, the first thing that we have to notice is that the market is in a very strong uptrend. What we can notice here is the creation of these monthly higher highs and higher lows. Every one of these minor corrections immediately was met with strong institutional buying pressure, which again, we will speak about in just a few moments. And what we can see is that just now we had a much deeper correction. In fact, compared to these previous ones, this correction has now reached that zone in between the 0.618 and 0.786 retracements. Now, in a strong uptrend, this is the last level at which, if the uptrend is to continue, you need to see institutional buyers stepping in and pushing the price higher. Because, of course, when you have a strong uptrend, what you expect after the impulse is the correction to reach around the 0.32 and 50% zone. And then from there, this is the level from which you expect a continuation to the upside, which in fact happened in the minor previous corrections. But now, if you have the market reaching all the way down to this zone, if the market exceeds that retracement level, essentially you have the start of a new push to the downside. So the uptrend is invalidated. So if buyers want to protect this uptrend, they have to step in inside of this zone. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly standpoint, what we can notice is that at the moment we are at a quite important level. We are at the zone that was acting as previous weekly demand and support. In fact, from here, all this previous rejection to the upside was created. The market again here tested its zone and rejected it. Again here tested and rejected. Right now, the market is testing again the exact same zone. So there is good probabilities from here to see a rejection to the upside, potentially in this case, also for the market to create a double bottom exactly at this zone and a nice rejection to the upside. Now, let's keep all of this in mind and drop down. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily standpoint, I spoke about gold just a few days ago. I spoke about it when the market was here. I explained all the reasons for which from here I was expecting this rejection to the upside. Then here I made another breakdown explaining all the reasons for which I was expecting this rejection lower. And then after the market started this rejection to the downside, I made yet another analysis explaining all the reasons for which I was expecting this push to the downside, the stop loss hunting all across this zone, and a rejection higher. It seems like the stop loss hunt wasn't that deep, and now we are already seeing the rejection to the upside. And by the way, I will link on here below the video all these previous analysis so you can go and check them out for more free education. So you find them all on my YouTube channel. Now, from a daily perspective, before we dig deeper into what we have when it comes to the market structure here on the daily time frame, first let's move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we're looking at the data for gold, we can see that we are already looking at the data for gold against the USD, because the data is already reported against the USD. And what we can notice is that with the last reports, net positions have been increased. We went from 154.2K all the way up to 186.6K net positions. Longs got increased from 200K all the way up to 227K. At the same time, what we can see is that shorts with the last reports also got increased slightly, but in the long term, it's clear, it seems like we are starting to see a rebuilding of the longs, and that is quite important for gold because in the long term, we always see much more longs than shorts from an institutional perspective on gold, with 227K longs compared to only 40.6K shorts from an institutional perspective. So let's keep this in mind and move back to the chart. So here on the daily, what do we have? Well, on the daily, at the moment, we are testing a quite significant zone. This level was acting as previous daily support. The market then broke it to the downside. At that point, that previous support became resistance. Right now, the market is still testing this resistance zone. So until the market remains below this zone, it can easily continue lower, and at that point we could even see a stop loss hunt below this low and a rejection higher. So what will be important? Well, the most important thing is to wait for a break above this zone, because if we see a break above this zone, in my opinion, that is where things get interesting, because all this previous resistance becomes support here. So if we do see the break and retest, at that point, after the break on the retest of the previous resistance turn support, that is where we have very good probabilities inside of here to see more institutional buying. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure to join my free Telegram channel, which you also find linked in description, so you never miss new updates. So in this kind of situation, if we do see the break and retest, what would I expect? Well, as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection to the upside away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education, and I will see you in my next video.